it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. So I'm gonna show you how to decorate a dog shirt. Now, if you've never seen these are cute. This is made by Doggy Skins. So this is a subsidy of LAT Sportswear, and they have rabbit skins, which is baby and toddler clothes, doggy skins, Code V, LAT, and there might be some other brands. But I thought that this would be cute because I haven't seen anybody show you how to put designs on it. So this is a doggy skin tank top in heather gray. So we're gonna use that, and then we're also gonna use black Thermoflex Plus HTV. Now this is our weekly wow sale for this week. All of our regular HTV, the Thermoflex Plus, is on sale for 25% off, and that sale ends on August the 1st, 2021 at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. But if you will give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will show you how to do the whole process for this shirt. We're in Corel Draw. The first thing that we need to do is I want to create a dog bone. So I'm gonna need a rectangle. There we go. And then I'm going to need some hearts. And you're like, Betsy, what are you doing? Why would you need hearts for, but you'll see. So we're gonna go to common shapes. So as you can see, there's a square box, there's a circle, and then there's common shapes. So there is our heart portion. So there's our heart. Now I'm gonna grab my pointer tool, and I'm going to take and rotate that around 90 degrees. Not 9, 90. Okay. And we're gonna make our dog bone. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. I don't think people realize how actually easy it is to kind of create a dog bone. The hardest part is to like center everything, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and align our centers horizontally. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill both of those so you can kind of see what I'm talking about with our dog bone. Oh, it might help if you choose the same colors, Bets. There we go. So that's kind of what it looks like. Now I'm going to adjust and bring my heart up just a little bit. There we go. And I think I'm going to make this portion a little bit more narrow. And as I said, this is like whenever you're designing stuff like this, it is more about, oh, let's undo that. Then we're gonna go up to File, or Edit, Undo, Stretch. There we go. So I want to select just the bone portion. Okay, Object. Now we're going to align our centers again. And you kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just kind of messing around with it till I get the top shape. Okay, so I like that. Now I'm going to copy, paste. Okay, and one of the cool things that you can do is I'm going to mirror that vertically. So I only need one. So to bring our heart down just a little bit. Okay, now let's go ahead and align all of our centers again. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. What do you think for our dog bone? Now we're gonna select all those pieces, and this is where it kind of gets cool, is I'm gonna show you this. We're gonna go to our view to wireframe. So you can see what this looks like. Now I'm going to select those pieces and we're going to weld it. Now there's our dog bone, 2 hearts and a rectangle. People don't realize how easy some of this stuff is. So let's go ahead and make that 90 degrees. Okay, now we can go back to our normal view. And now we're gonna go to our text. So what the back of our shirt is going to say is, did someone say, and then the word treat. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and align this. Now the design, our shirt is, hold on. There we go. There's our alignment for our text. Our shirt is about 5 inches wide by about 8 inches tall, because I mean, it is made for a little dog. So let's go ahead and adjust that down to 5 inches. Okay, now let's see what we got for fonts. Do I want to use something chalkboard? I might use chalkboard. I like chalkboard. Sometimes you want something that's a little bit cute, and I feel like chalkboard bold will be really cute. Okay. Now what I want to do is, I think I'm going to go through and we're going to make those lowercase. Do I want that one? No, that one we're going to leave to capitalize. Okay, so I like how that looks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to object. And we're going to break these apart. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I do want to move these closer together. Just my personal preference. So now let's go ahead and go to alignment. And we're going to align centers horizontally. Now I am going to take and group that together. Okay, now I want to take and select the did someone say in the dog bone, and we're going to go ahead and go alignment, center. Perfect. Now we need to type out the word treat with a question mark. And I'm going to capitalize that. There we go. And I am going to choose chalkboard bold. There we go. I'm going to change that text to white. Okay. Now I'm going to select it all again, and we're going to go alignment, center. Okay, perfect. Now the word treat, I'm going to go up to object, and we're going to convert that to curves. Now I want to select the dog bone and the word treat, and we're going to cut out a portion. So now you can see it's just the word treat is now in it. So let's go ahead and go to File, Undo Move. Now we're going to go to wireframe so you can see what I mean. Now see how that word is no longer in there? Perfect. So now I'm going to select everything. Again, make sure everything's aligned center. And we're going to go ahead and weld everything together. So now our dog shirt is designed. Perfect. So we're going to go back into normal mode. And I am going to go up here to File, Export. And we're going to name this Treat. We're going to name this shirt Dog Treat. So as you can see, we are exporting this as a scalable vector graphic. So that is an SVG. I am going to upload this file to my Patreon page, so anyone will be able to use it, but this is also teaching you how to make it. So now I'm going to minimize that. We're in Cricut Design Space. So we're going to go to New Project. We're going to go over here to Upload. upload image, browse. Okay. Documents should be dog treat right there. You can see now I'm going to choose the dog treat SVG. We're going to click open. There we go. Click upload. There we go. Okay, so it's all at the right size. Everything's ready to go. We're going to click on make it. We're doing it on the mat because we're using Thermoflex Plus. I am going to mirror this because it is HTV. I'm going to click continue. It takes a second. We're gonna choose popular, which is everyday iron on. Okay, so I'm gonna send this to cut and then I will show you how to put it on. Okie dokie, I figured we'd weed this one on camera. Isn't gonna be anything super major. Just to kind of show you how easy Thermoflex Plus weeds. I mean, like, literally this is so simple. And this is a good high quality HTV. It is professional grade. Like before I ever started doing YouTube and opened up doing like craft vinyl and stuff like that, I have literally been working with Thermoflex Plus for years. So it is a tried and true, like all that fun kind of stuff. Look how easy this is. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? And I just gotta fix my little center of my A. Now, when you are working with like a dog shirt or baby onesies, well, no, we just did baby onesies, but when you're working with something like this that does have seaming, you do need a Teflon pillow, or you need to put something that is in it heat resistant. So as you can see, like on this side of the shirt, there's a seam down the center, there's holes for the arms, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna load my Teflon pillow into my dog shirt. Keep it centered, keep it straight. Okay. I didn't need to unfold my Teflon pillow. It depends on what you're working with and what size stuff you're working with. It just kind of depends on if you need it that way or not. But the Teflon pillow helps to keep your seaming under control. And I mean, as you can see, this does have some stretch, it does have some give. So if you've got a dog that's like mine, that's, you know, kind of chunky, because she likes her food, we all do in this household, you can still use, you know what I mean? So, there we go. And this phrase, like if you say the treat word in my household and Layla is anywhere around, she goes crazy. Like that dog loves her snacks, like nobody's business. So now I'm folding my design in half, giving myself a crease mark. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way up because I want it across the back. That looks pretty good to me. So the heat press is preheated to 330 degrees. Now we're gonna cover and we're gonna heat for 15 seconds. But yeah, I mean, sometimes like if you're not sure, some of the design elements are simple to do. Like, I think when people think dog bone, they think it has to be complicated. It really doesn't. I mean, it's pretty easy. There we go. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now I'm gonna cover and heat one more time. This is something standard practice for me. I love it. Now, while that's heating, I did wanna remind you our weekly wow sale one more time is 25% off of your regular HTV purchases, Thermoflex Plus, all that on our website. So that sale ends on Sunday, August the 1st at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. Isn't that cute? So, if you'll give me a moment to change the can, that's not even what we're doing. Sorry, y'all. It's been a long day and a long weekend between painting my bedroom and all that. But see how cute that is? So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos. But I guess that's it. So we'll see y'all later. Bye.